Have you ever stopped to think about what animals can teach us? They don't speak our language. They don't chase wealth. They don't care about status or popularity. Yet somehow, they understand life in ways many of us have forgotten. For the next few minutes, let's slow down and look at the world through their eyes. Every animal has a purpose. The eagle teaches us to rise above the storm. The elephant reminds us that strength is gentle. The wolf survives because it values family. The horse shows us the beauty of freedom. The lion reminds us that confidence comes from courage, not from noise. Nature doesn't compare, it simply exists. Animals never pretend to be something they're not. A tiger never wishes to become a lion. A bird never envies the fish. A deer never competes with an elephant. Each one understands its own place in the world. Perhaps that's a lesson we humans need to remember. The smallest creatures matter just as much as the largest. Bees pollinate the flowers. Butterflies bring beauty. Ants teach teamwork. Owls teach patience. Dolphins remind us to play. Even the quietest creatures have an important role in keeping our planet alive. We often believe that humans rule the earth, but the truth is, we share it. Every forest, every ocean, every mountain, every river belongs to them as much as it belongs to us. Protecting wildlife isn't just saving animals, it's protecting the future of our own home. The next time you see an animal, don't just look at it, learn from it. Because sometimes, the greatest teachers never say a single word.